Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google VO3 to generate a video. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Google VO3 on Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com and then you can sign in with your Google account. Okay, and actually guys, to use a VO3 on Gemini, we need to subscribe to Google One so we can use the VO3. But don't worry, because we can still get VO3 for 1 month because they give us 1 month free trial. So during 1 month, you will be able to generate any video that you want using a VO3. Okay, I have already subscribed to the Google One, and as you can see, I got Pro. And then to use VO3, you can select tools here and you can choose the videos with VO and you can describe the video that you want to create. And actually, I'm not good in making prompts, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. Okay, I have asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me for Swan Lake video. And I'm just going to copy the prompt. And then we can go back to the Google Gemini. Okay. Oops. Hey guys, I'm going to go back to this menu and we can paste the prompt. And we can upload a photo as reference, but I'm just going to use this text and we can click on submit. And now the video is being generated. Okay, and now my video is ready and let's play it together. And yeah, that's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon. And then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.